Have you ever wondered why our solar system consists of only 8 planets, while it was expected to have had more in its early days? In the vast expanse of the cosmos, our solar system, with its 8 unique planets, stands as a testament to the intricate dance of celestial bodies. But did you know scientists believe that in its infancy, our solar system was teeming with even more planets? This brings us to the intriguing mystery of the early solar system. What happened to these additional celestial bodies? Where did they disappear? These questions have puzzled astronomers and space enthusiasts alike for decades. Various theories have been proposed to explain this cosmic conundrum, from planet migration to interstellar collisions. Each theory more captivating than the last, painting a vivid picture of a chaotic, vibrant early solar system. However, the exact fate of these extra planets remains shrouded in mystery, a puzzle still waiting to be solved. So what happened to these extra planets? Well, that's the question we're about to answer. To understand where these extra planets went, we first need to understand how planets are born. It all starts with a nebula, a vast cloud of dust and gas. As gravity pulls parts of this cloud together, a protostar forms, and around it, a swirling disk of remaining dust and gas. This is the birthplace of planets. In this chaotic nursery, tiny particles of dust and ice begin to collide and stick together, forming what we call planetesimals. These planetesimals continue to grow, attracting more and more material from the disk. Over time, they become large enough to be considered protoplanets. Now, not all protoplanets will grow up to be full-fledged planets. Some might collide and merge, others might be flung out of the system entirely. The final count of planets around a star can be as small as 1, or as large as 8 or even more. So we now know how planets are formed, but what causes some to disappear? The early solar system was a chaotic place filled with collisions and gravitational interactions. Imagine a celestial demolition derby, where planets and other celestial bodies were constantly smashing into one another. This was not a calm and orderly neighborhood, but rather a stormy and turbulent one teeming with unpredictability. Gravitational interactions played a significant role in this chaos. Picture this: a planet gets too close to another, and the stronger gravitational pull of the larger body could either fling the smaller one out of the solar system or pull it in for a catastrophic collision. These events were not rare occurrences, but the norm in our young solar system. Collisions were another major player in this space opera of destruction. They could lead to the formation of new bodies, like our moon, or the obliteration of existing ones. Some planets simply didn't survive the harsh realities of space. They were either ejected out into the cold, dark expanse of the cosmos or shattered into cosmic dust. It was survival of the fittest, and not all planets made the cut. So, what was the fate of these extra planets, you might wonder? Well, let's delve into the possibilities. In the early solar system, it was a cosmic game of survival. With gravitational forces tugging and pulling, some of these extra planets might have been flung out of the solar system entirely, sent off into the vast, cold expanse of interstellar space, never to be seen again. Others, however, weren't so lucky. Some of these planets, caught in a deadly dance with their neighbors, could have collided violently. These catastrophic collisions would have shattered the planets into cosmic rubble, scattering their remains across the solar system. Some of this debris might have even formed the asteroid belt we see today. And let's not forget about our star, the Sun. Its immense gravity could have pulled in some of these extra planets, effectively making them disappear in a fiery demise. So it seems the early solar system was a lot more volatile than the one we know today. Talk about a celestial Game of Thrones. Now, let's summarize what we've learned today. Our journey began with the mystery of the early solar system, a place teeming with more planets than we see today. We delved into the process of planet formation, a cosmic ballet of dust and gas coalescing under the force of gravity. We then navigated the tumultuous chaos of the early solar system, a time of celestial turmoil where survival was far from guaranteed for any planet. We explored the fate of these extra planets, those that didn't make it into the familiar lineup we know today. Whether through violent collisions or ejections into the frigid expanse of space, these lost worlds have left their mark on the solar system we inhabit. So next time you gaze up at the sky, remember the untold story of our solar system's lost planets. Who knows what other mysteries are yet to be uncovered?